In this video, I'm going to show you how to link charts in Sierra Chart. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open up your first chart. You want to go to the chart top left, and then down here at the bottom left, it's going to say linking. Hover over that, and then here you have to go over number and basically assign it a specific number. So I'm going to do link 1 over here, and then of course, whatever you want to link to this chart, you have to link at link 1, or of course this number 1 as well, okay? So that's pretty much that, and then you can go to chart up top, chart settings, and you can click on linking over here, and then you can basically just select whatever you want to link. So you could go ahead and of course link different things over here. You can just double click on here, and you're going to be basically set from yes to no and vice versa. And here you could also change your numbers if you want to, in case you want to go the longer route. So that's it. Then click apply all and okay, and then you can set this to your other charts as well, and you'll be able to link those as well, and you'll always be able to see the links up here. So L1 right now, as you can see, if I change this, go to linking, and if I change this number to like 10 over here, oops, if I go to 10, for example, it's now going to say L10. So that's how to link charts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.